Hi everyone, welcome to Arm Candy. So today we've got for you this gorgeous coach Edie. So this coach has double top grab handles, and then we've got on here that coach tag as well. And then on the front we've got this one external flat pocket which is zipped also. On the base, no base studs, and we've got zip top closure. So I'll open it up, show you the inside. Inside we've got one main compartment, and then we've also got that zipped flat pocket there as well, so that zip still works really nicely in there. And then we've got what Coach calls this story patch on there as well. So for the condition of this bag, we've called it good all around. I'll just show you all over to begin with. As you can see, it still looks really nice. Can kind of tell that it's been pre-loved. It's not quite got that structure that maybe it originally had, but I think this leather is really nice and kind of comfortable and malleable, so it doesn't take away the fact that it's not so structured. It just feels and looks quite a usable bag. So exterior we've called good. There's just one mark I want to show you on here. I'm not sure how well it will come up on the camera, but there's a little bit of a mark here just above the loop for that handle, and then there's a mark, one little mark there as well, you can see it there, but the base still looks pretty nice. There's just minor signs of wear to a couple of the corners, but overall they still look very nice. Interior, open it up and show you inside again. So we've got that fabric lining. You can see it still looks very clean in there. There's not any rips or tears or anything like that, but it's just a couple of marks here and there, just like on the outside. But overall, still looks very nice. Hardware, again, we've called good. You can see, still very nice and shiny. On the front, this coach badge here, that still looks very good, but there's just a little bit of discoloration on these loops. When you move them out a bit, there's just a little bit discoloring and scratching, but overall still looks very nice. I'll just show you here as well, one little mark I missed out on the front. There's just a little bit of a mark there, but overall still looks very, very nice. So this coach comes with, so it's got one removable strap, and I'll show you that when I show you the size of the bag as well. And then we've also got a coach dust bag to keep it protected also. So the exact measurements for this bag will be in the link in the description below. Hopefully that link should take you directly to this coach. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold. But if you love this bag as much as we do, you can still get on our request list, which you do by sending us over an email or filling out the contact form on our website. Let us know that you love this bag or whatever bag it may be that you have in mind, and we'll get you on our request list so you can get an alert every time we bring in a new bag, just like the one that you love, and hopefully you can get in there before everyone else. So as I said, exact measurements will be on the website, but I'll show you on me for reference. So I'm size UK 10 and 5'4". So with those double grab handles there, this is about where it sits on me. Or you can also have it with this removable strap as well. So I'll pop those on these little loops at the side so you can have a look. So they just attach, get it on there like that. And then we'll pop the other one on the other side. So then you can have it as a crossbody as well. And then hopefully it's a bit more secure. Maybe if you're on the go, it's a bit nicer to have the strap with it so that you can have it as a crossbody. So for more details on this bag, go to the link in the description below. On our website you'll also find loads more bags, so hopefully there is something there that takes your fancy. if there is, then don't forget you can get your welcome discount code, which you do by signing up to our newsletter, and you'll find the option to do that at the bottom of any page on the website. So pop your email in there and we will send you through your welcome discount code, which you can use on your first purchase with us. Also on the website you'll find the How to Sell With Us page, so if there's any bags that you would like to sell with Arm Candy Bag Co, then go to that page and you'll find all the details you need to know about selling with us. And that's all I have for you, so we'll see you later with some more Arm Candy.